I'm Ryan Downey, the streaming advisor, and what I've got right here is the HD Homerun Connect Duo. This is the most basic HD Homerun device from the company Silicon Dust, and what we're going to be talking about in this video is how to use an HD Homerun in conjunction with your Plex Server to watch live TV. This is a really cool feature for Plex that even includes a way to use Plex as a DVR. So we're going to be talking about what HD Homerun is and how to set it up with Plex in this video. But first things first, let's take a look at the HD Homerun itself and what you get. You have a simple setup guide. It's very step-by-step, and believe it me or not, it really is just a couple of steps. Keep in mind you can use HD Homerun without Plex. We've got a separate video on that, like I said. We're going to be talking about Plex here. Your HD Homerun is just about the most basic box you can really get. It's just got a coaxial spot. That's going to be for your antenna because this is set up to work with over-the-air antennas. And it has a port, an Ethernet port, so that you can hook it up to your network. The last port is just nothing other than where you plug in the power. They give you everything you need to do for that. For instance, it does come with a free Ethernet cord. In order to plug it in, you just undo the cord and basically plug it in. If you've never seen this done before, we'll just show you real quick. You unravel it, you take it, and you want to make sure that the little plastic piece here matches up with the little notch made for it. If you try to put it in upside down, you're just going to end up breaking something. So push it till it clicks, and you plug this end into your router. Your router is going to have a port just like this. You're going to plug it in and wait for the lights to blink. After that, you plug in your antenna to the back of this. So let's say you've got an antenna. We've got an outdoor antenna already set up. But you take this and you just screw it into the back. See? So you got your two cords and your power adapter is right where you need it. You take it. You plug it in. This is all you need to do to get set up. So next we're going to show you how to configure it on your Plex server and use it as a DVR. All set up, and that means plugging in the antenna, plugging it into the network, and powering it on. You open your Plex server on your computer. And in this case, we're doing it on my iMac, but whatever you've got, your PC, however. You're going to go to your server, you're going to open up the Plex server and either jump into your web client or allow the Plex server to just open up a window on its own. And you're going to get to this menu and you're going to go to where it says Settings under Manage. So you're going to click Settings. You want to make sure that you have the most updated server. If you don't have the server updated, you will not be able to add this in. And of course, let me note before we go any further that in order to use Plex DVR, you do have to be a Plex Pass member. So, you're going to go into General and then Manage, and you're going to go to Live TV and DVR. We're going to click right here, and you see they give you a nice big orange obvious button for set up the Plex DVR. So we're going to click it. It already recognizes that the tuner is in place, and like I said, if it doesn't see this tuner, that means you've either not plugged it in correctly or you've got a real problem. But you want to make sure that your your tuner is plugged in, powered on, and on the network. And we're going to continue. Now we've already done a channel scan. You see that we picked up 20 channels. This isn't a super powered antenna that we're using here, and it's indoor. Outdoor antennas are going to give you a better performance, but we've already done the channel scan. In order to do the channel scan, simply click on the channel scan button or the scan channels button. Once that's done, you're going to go into the next step. And this is a key step. You want to make sure that you have the correct language for you. And you're going to put in your zip code. I'm going to put in my zip code, but if you put in my zip code and you don't live in my area, which is the triangle area of North Carolina, you're going to be sorely, disappointed with the TV listings. So you put in that postal code and press continue. And what it's doing right now is it's looking for the locations for the channels, like it says, so that it can figure out where we are. And when it's all done, it should say, you're in Raleigh or something like that. Technically, we're in Wendell, or Wendell, if you want to be proper about it. So you see, broadcast in the Raleigh area. And it gives you all the different areas, that it could be, like the different cable and things like that. We are using broadcast, so we're going to use the broadcast listings. And continue. And now what it's going to do is start setting up the guide. And when I say guide, we're talking about a digital guide that looks more like digital cable, something along those lines. It takes a while, so we're not going to sit here and watch it all in real time. It's at 12%. We're going to go ahead and jump over, and you'll see that it's formulating the guide as we speak. Boom, see? It's already got a lot of the channels listed, but what it doesn't have is everything for the hours and hours and days in advance. But it's got a lot of stuff right now. And so you see, every channel is listed. Bang, boom, bang. And from this menu here, you can set things to record or watch what is on. We're going to have to go back to more to the current place to see what is on. But from here, you can watch TV, and you can set this to record. So anything you want to record, you can go to the guide, select the day, select the time, and figure out what you want to see. And that's it, really. We're not going to launch into that because we don't want to deal with YouTube having a problem with us. But this is that. You can do this all from your computer desktop, and in some cases, you can see it in your apps, like for Roku. You can't get the guide with everything, but Roku does have a very good working guide. We're going to show you how Plex looks on different devices later. But for now, that is it. That is how you set up the DVR with an HD Homerun on Plex. I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Till next time, I'm Ryan Downey, the Streaming Advisor.